After autopsy reports of 3 more victims from Jiribam's Jakuradhor brutally killed by Kuki militants have unveiled gruesome details. The victims, including 8-month-old Laishram Lamnganba, were found to have suffered severe injuries indicating brutal physical assault and multiple bullet injuries. According to India Today, Laishram Lamnganba suffered gunshot wound to his left knee, stab wound to his chest, and trauma to his jaw from hard object. The report also revealed that his chest bones and both eyes were missing, possibly due to stabbing. Telem Thajamanbi, 8-year-old, suffered gunshot injury to her right chest, fracturing her chest bones. Autopsy finding of Telem Toibi, 31, revealed that she suffered 3 gunshot wounds to her chest and 1 to her stomach. Her skull was crushed, her brain was missing, her eyes were protruding, and both wrists bore severe injuries consistent with blunt force trauma. Earlier, reports of 3 other victims, Laishram Jinkainganba, 2.5 years, Laishram Haitonbi, 25, and Urembam Rani, 68, revealed similar brutality with multiple wounds and signs of physical assault.